Since the moment I met you, I began to carefully, patiently, inextricably, and permanently blend your heart with mine. To quote Fitzgerald, you are the finest, loveliest, tenderest, and most beautiful person I've ever known, and even that is an understatement.
There was no ambivalence. There was no doubt. I was never scared to commit to you. It happened instantly. You were and are a miracle. You were and are the longitude and latitude of my heart. You are my greatest ally.
You look amazing. I love it.
Sophomore year of high school, my sister at the time was the student council president. She decided to distribute surveys to everyone in the entire high school. Asked them to fill out these surveys with their top 10 characteristics of their ideal mate. Kate, you got to play Cupid. Tonight, you found your match.
Marriages mark a new beginning. We have marveled at the changes of Kate as she has found her true love. Christian is a man who has revealed the lovely woman that she is. I'm honored, and Mary and I welcome him to our family with open arms.
Dearly beloved, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and this woman into the sacrament of holy matrimony.
I, Christian, take you, Kate, to be my wife.
I, Kate, take you, Christian, to be my husband.
I would like to now present to you, husband and wife. You may now kiss your wife.
You love hard and you love lavishly. It is an honor and a privilege to be loved by you, and it is an honor and privilege to be your wife.
Two people at their most vulnerable time met on the battlefield, instead signed a treaty, merged, and set out to take on the world. Here's to seeing that vision through to our last breath. I love you, Kate.
My wife Mary and I welcome you here tonight on behalf of Kate and Christian and their families to this beautiful space that the two of them literally constructed for this evening.
Truly the wonder we see around us matches the joy we feel in our hearts for Christian and Kate.
She is my little girl, my princess, my ray of sunlight. And no matter what her age, she'll always be those things to me.
My big brother Christian, you are a wanderer, constantly searching for something. I am overjoyed that your search on earth is over.
I know that no matter where Kate is, that she will push pause for a sister SOS. And Christian, it is my honor to share this loyalty, generosity, kindness, and love with you. May today be the day you love each other the least. Cheers.